For today's video, I'll be showing you on how to get rid of Mcafee pop-ups. Alright, so let's start by opening the Settings app on your computer. Click the Windows icon on your desktop, and then click the Settings icon or the gear icon. Click System, then go over to the Notifications section. Simply toggle off the notifications beside the Mcafee application for the notifications to stop showing up. Other method you can do is to remove it on the Task Manager. To do that, right-click on the Windows icon below, then choose Task Manager. Now navigate to the Mcafee app, then right-click on it, and choose End Task. Do this to all of the Mcafee app to disable the pop-ups. Also, if you want to completely remove the Mcafee pop-ups, you can choose to uninstall it. To do that, click on the Windows logo below and search for Add or Remove Programs, and then open it. Now here, locate to Mcafee application and click it. Click on the Uninstall and choose Uninstall again to confirm. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.